Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Ahmed and I have something great for you guys. I'm presenting you Medical Reconciliation MCP, that is medical that would allow you to reconcile with your medical documents and able to understand them easily. So what happens is 1 out of 5 patients, that's 20% of the entire patients all across the world, they makes medication error in the first week after they get discharged from the hospital and coming back from the doctor's visit. They came back with old pills, new pills, um, old prescriptions, new prescriptions, and what end up is just confusion and a lot of mess. So they start making guessing, and these guessing would end up um, putting them back to hospitals and all that cycle. So can an LLM solve that? Yes, but an hallucinated LLM would be even worse than no AI at all. So what I build is an MCP server that is closely engineered with the specific use case and the problems. And we have built a couple of tools and a multi-agent system that would help patients to get um, a medical reconciliation in plain English language without any jargon with as ease as possible. So this is the repo for the code base. Here I have attached a few architecture diagrams that would allow you guys to understand this in a more easier manner. So this is just a basic architecture diagram that shows that what is the workflows and interaction that we are working on. And here you can see this is a system diagram, so that would tell you guys that what are the uh, different set of functions and the tools that we have built in order to do all this stuff. And here is our MCP server, and you can see we have multiple tools that like the first one is getting the patient context and the demographics, and then the patient um, uh, records before and after the encounter and the discharge summary and all that. And we are even using external sources as well in order to get the complete uh, picture of the patient's medical history and all that. And here you can see we are using fires and we are using smart um, um, tools in order to get the best possible results to you guys. Now let's jump towards the actual thing that we have built. And uh, here is our prompt opinion, and I have configured our MCP servers into it. So let's see. Uh, who- uh, this is a patient. This is synthetic patient data that I have built into it. And let's enable tool call so that we would be able to know that what happens inside of it. And here I'm just putting a generic query with some spelling mistakes as well, just to see how good our AI system is. And now I press send, and let's see what the response is. Let's wait for it. It would be pretty quick. It would allow you to have quick and accurate answers, and with the ability of tool calls, we would be having a more precise environment with minimum hallucinations. And it is a very closely engineered thing. Here you can see that it is performing tool calls, and after all the tool calls, it gave us the results. That was pretty quick. And we asked it that should I be still be continuing with metmorphin, and it told you like no, hold it for 48 hours, and then contact your doctor or pharmacist to confirm when it is safe to restart it. And the important thing in all this is that I've also added a patient educator agent that would allow you guys to um, um, get a basic understanding of what's going on, and in plain English for a layman to be easily able to understand it. And it would also tell you guys that okay, so what you can do in order to get information from the doctor. And here it has also put us a link. Okay, so this is a